Oh boy, look at this wall of water. Wait till you see this cascade going on. I did this job a few years back, came to do a spring startup, got up and running. Wait till you see this. Woo, baby. That's a lot of waterfall right there. Big spillways, big pumps, big everything. This thing is no joke. Producing a lot of noise. Check it out. Man, look at that middle fall. Wow. All the way across. Man, something else. Let me point something out which I really like about this. This is granite rock. I don't usually do granite rock. I'm more a moss rock guy, but the cuts on these rocks were made for a waterfall. Look at this. I'll explain in a second. Look at the water, how that's shearing off so perfect. Look at this cascade right here. Man, the square cuts on these rocks are incredible. Really producing the water right. Maybe we can get a top view. Let's check this out. Woo, mama. Going right along here. Wow. Check this side view. Dang. Wow. That belongs in a resort. We're at the Willowwood community in Coram off Route 112. Beautiful homes here, but by a swimming pool that's not open yet. But yeah, that's definitely quite the waterfall right there. One of my best, I would have to say. The pump power is ridiculous. The pumps are like weigh so much, they're heavy. Oh my God. Wow. All right, I hope you go like that. There it is. Another beautiful water feature by Rob Riccardo, the Waterfall Wizard of Pond Paradise Designs. Ready for any type of water feature you need.